It's crazy. Don't worry, I won't be on here too long. But here, check this out. I was talking to one of my clients, and she says that she was trying to do some business, of course, and looks like Chase Bank is down, along with looks like it's Zelle. So is it for those of you who have Chase? Let me know what you guys are dealing with. Is it Chase? Is it Chase Bank as a whole that's down, or is it Zelle payments only? But if you have an account with Chase, then that is down. Okay. So let me know inside the comments or inside the chat. This has been going on, guys. A lot of people thought it was just like their area or their bank. This is nationwide. But a lot of people are talking about it. Let's see here. It looks like to expedite transfer between American bank accounts, Zelle makes advantage. Blah 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 blah. Okay, the money will come quickly with Zelle. Blah blah blah. Okay. So Zelle transfer is not working. It's been delayed since this morning. Money leaving from the account but not arriving to the destination. So people are able to they are able to send Zelle payments. But if you're receiving a Zelle payment, it's not coming through. So Chase has officially replied, and this is as of 1:46. Okay, so this is as of 1:46 p.m. Central Time. So 2 minutes ago, a Chase bank representative said that Zelle payments are momentarily unable to process. The funds will not be held at our system and will likely return to the originating sending party. Okay, they will likely return to the originating sending party. Okay, keywords is likely return. Okay, so keep us posted on that. Anybody experiencing that right now, go ahead and jump inside the comments as well. Let's see what else we got. Thousands of Chase Bank users are reporting issues, and 91% of the problems are with transfers and wires. Okay, so it seems like it's not just it may not be Zelle. Okay, so jump in the comments, guys. Let me know what you guys are experiencing, and we'll keep you guys posted as we get more information here. But there's been over 1,000 people complaining in the last 45 minutes across the United States. So this is not just a local area situation. This is nationwide in the United States. And it looks like, okay, let's see here. Okay, so it's only transfers and wires. That falls under a category, transfers and wires, but that may not be the case. All right, guys, go ahead and let me know inside the comments as well. Those Zelle payments are instantaneous. They can take up to, now Zelle is saying it can take to 1 to 2 business days to process. That's not right. So Debbie says, yeah, I just went through that this morning from Huntington to Chase, and they didn't get it until later on. Wow. So, okay, so it's most definitely an issue for sure. So keep us posted, guys. Let's go ahead and see. Looks like the issue started, and this is in the last 24 hours. So it looks like the issue's been going on since this morning, but they didn't acknowledge it until just now. So, but listen, this plays a role because some of you guys got payments that's due. Obviously, things people got to get paid. I just came out of Chase Bank and could not deposit a check. I was told their systems are down. Wow. So we're talking, guys, listen, JP Morgan Chase Bank is the number one, the largest, like, it's got to be at least in the top three largest banks, so this is huge. This is most definitely huge. And listen, they're upset. You can't transfer. People are on the phone with them right now as well. Hold on. Let's see what we got here. All right, so okay, give me a second here. I don't see that one. Okay, perfect. But either way, listen, it's crazy right now. But either way, listen, guys, keep us posted. Keep us posted, as you guys get information. Let everybody know what's going on. It is crazy right now. I'll check back in a little bit later because, I mean, let's be honest. Everybody's got stuff with Chase. A lot of people do. And even if you don't have stuff with Chase, you may have some stuff with Chase where it's indirectly. Chase has some auto loans that are with Santander. Chase has credit cards, obviously. So all this plays a role. This is a large issue. No, it most definitely, man, this is crazy. So it's not, here, I got a question for you guys. So it's not just Zelle. To confirm, it's not just Zelle. It looks like it is a situation where, let's see here. Someone said they was not able to cash their check. What else are you guys experiencing out there? What else you guys seeing? Anyone got Chase that's having any issues? that's tried to move their money around. And I'm trying to keep you guys posted on this. This is live. I'm getting this like live right now. So let's see here. Down live. Let's see here. 21 minutes. Okay, so now, okay. All right, let's see here. So anything that they said any type of ACH transfer, so direct deposit, yeah. So I don't know if you guys can do anything. Can you guys swipe your debit cards? Can you guys swipe your debit cards? Oh, Christina's in the house. Welcome to the 850 Club Elite, Christina. All right, welcome to the Elite. All right. So here, also too, guys, while you guys are giving me updates, while you give my husband has Chase and we have a mortgage. Man, you know what? Unless the mortgage payment is due today, you'll be fine. I'm sure they're going to step in for sure and then let us know what's going on for sure. So keep us posted on that as well too. Check down detector comments. So many types of issues. What? Man, that's crazy. Let me check that out. Let me check that out. Thanks for letting me know that. Cause I ain't gonna lie, that site looked like it was kind of spammy. Anybody ever see like stuff that's got kind of spammy? You be like, nah, I'm good. So let me see here. Chase Bank down. I'll go and go to down detector. So let's take a look here. And let me see here. Okay, my bad. I was in news. All right, so let's take a look here. 3 hours ago. Okay, that was from an update from them directly. Okay, so people are still having the same issues, and this is crazy right now. So yeah, money locked up in La La Land after a Zelle transfer. It won't show any of my transactions from this morning. I have business to tend to. This is how we get messed over by the banks. Now I have to deal with repercussions of not being able to pay my obligations this morning, and it looks like this all day. I'm in the same spot with these bad people from Chase. I have to pay transporter, and they're not going to process my deposit from the other company. Wow. I need to make a withdrawal. I've been waiting for hours to make a withdrawal. You guys can't make a withdrawal? My brother didn't want to believe me when I told him Chase was shaky. I just sent him the link so he can see what's happening. Yeah, it's crazy. I mean, let's be honest though. This usually does not happen to Chase. Usually Chase does a pretty good job. But this shows you that this can happen to anybody, right? This is crazy. This is most definitely crazy. So someone said they needed to make a withdrawal and they've been waiting for hours, okay? They've been waiting for hours. They also tried Zelle transfer. It never went through. Let me see if I can turn around my camera. Okay, I can't turn around my camera. So let's go ahead and see if I can get this set up for you guys. Hold on one second. So this is it here. So it looks like someone tried to make a withdrawal and they were not able to do so. They could not make a withdrawal. They had to wait for hours. And then was sent Zelle money and it showed on my account, transferred from my Cash App and then Apple Pay. Both aren't shown on my account. This is the exact same issue I'm having. Everyone re-log in to see if your money is there. I just received the email notification. That was about 18 minutes ago. I don't know. Is anyone else experiencing that? Okay, someone just said, am I I'm looking to open up a Chase account. Oh man, not today. Calvin, tell me under what circumstances do you believe a person should take out a personal loan, or should people just stay away from personal loans altogether? Let's talk about it. Let's talk about it. So many of you guys, okay, so for those of you who are watching this because I'm talking about Chase, you guys probably don't know I talk about credit all day long. But either way, to answer your question about the personal loans, under what circumstances do I believe a person take out a personal loan? Yeah, if you're consolidating debt, if you're trying to refinance like something like refinance an auto loan, but you can't get an auto loan refinance loan, so you most definitely want to consider that as well. Other than that, don't just get a loan just to get it. Do not just get a loan just to get it. We don't need additional debt. All right, guys. But Ira said, listen, this is why you must have multiple bank affiliations. You're absolutely right. You got to have multiple bank accounts, guys. You know, because stuff like this happens, all the time. So here, let me find my tripod. I don't know where my tripod is. I got to dig around for it. It's somewhere in here. But either way, let's see what else we got. Keep me posted, guys. What else are you guys seeing? Multiple bank accounts are a necessity, it seems. Yeah. I mean, like, come on. Like, we recently just saw something like with this. I don't know I don't know what the trigger is. That's what's crazy about it. All right, so here, we're going to load more comments and see. I'm going to refresh this too, guys, just to make sure we're not missing anything. So that was like 16 minutes ago. And but no one else has said anything as of yet. What else are you guys seeing out there? What else are you guys seeing out there? All right, so we see that as well. So okay, let's see here. Money transferred from earning and it doesn't show up to my account. Yep, I literally bought something and it didn't take money out of my account, nor did it show the transaction. Well, hopefully they didn't have any issues. I can imagine that. Imagine being like at a lunch date right now, or being at, I know we're in different time zones, right? So hopefully you guys are able to make your transaction. Like some of you guys need gas, all type of stuff. All right. And then got another question. If you apply for a loan to refinance your car, would that affect your home loan approval? Not at all. Not at all, Cindy. You'll be good to go. You'll be good to go, Cindy. Okay. So what you got to do, Cindy, all you got to do is, matter of fact, it's going to help you. Anytime you're lowering your monthly car payments, that's most definitely going to help you. Okay, so keep that in mind. Waiting for hours. There's more going on today. Chase lost a $10,000 and $10,000 wire and a 5K wire on me, and I've been getting a runaround for 9 weeks. Man, Alto, keep us posted on that. Back to keeping my cash under the mattress. I know that's right. Jennifer says she's keeping her cash underneath the matches. Okay, so most definitely keep us posted on that as well. Okay, guys. So here, let's keep it going. I don't mind keeping this going for quite some time, but here, keep us posted, guys. Hopefully you guys everything works out. Cindy says, "Oh my God, I bank with Chase." Man, listen. Hopefully everything works itself out, guys. We have an auto loan, with Chase on our end, but other than that, yeah, I'm not really, I don't have an account with them. I had an account with them like a long time ago, back when they were like, I think it was Bank One or something like that when I moved to Chicago. This was like a while back. But either way, what else do you guys send out there? Anybody else? Anybody else? Of course, Cindy, we got you. We got you, Cindy. Listen, Cindy, listen. As a YouTube member, you never will have to worry about getting a credit question answer ever again. All right. So that's what I'm here for. That's what the team is here for. Of course, we're always here for you. All right. So here, what else are you guys experiencing out there? Sorry, I'm watching golf while I'm working, right? But anyway, what else are you guys seeing out there? I'm refreshing this. I won't keep this all long going on too long, guys. Hopefully this gets resolved. We'll check back in a little bit later. Let me go ahead and refresh my page. It could just be my page. Let me see here. And nope, that's pretty much it. No one else has gotten anything on that as well, too. Anybody else got any new issues? Any new issues? Man, that $10,000 wire and that $5,000 wire is crazy. You know what? I'm glad he brought that up. I'm in real estate, and there's a lot of closings happening today. And I am sure it's crazy. Like, I'm sure people are like closing on properties. Like, I mean, we need our money, man. Don't get me wrong, things do happen, but it sucks like when stuff like this happens, because like that's our money, right? So is it affecting their credit card? You know what, Mark? It says all accounts. It says all account activity. So I don't know if it's going to affect it when you guys are swiping the credit cards. I think it's more so just transfers and bank accounts. So far, has anyone been having any issues in regards to the credit cards? Any issues with credit cards? Keep us posted, guys. Keep us posted. Eddie says, "What's going on, big brother?" Oh yeah, don't worry, man. Listen, you can most definitely catch that live, catch that replay, man. We most definitely dropped some good information in that live last night. But don't worry, we'll be back. We'll be swinging the live back around tomorrow for sure. So keep me posted. On that as well too, guys. But either way, can anyone confirm that has anyone that's watching has had any issues with their Chase credit card in the last 24 hours? Any issues in the last 24 hours with Chase? Any issues? Keep us posted, guys. Keep us posted. Any issues? All right, Calvin, can you tell me why I paid my car loan off? My credit score dropped about 15 points. I'm going to pause right there. All right. So here's the deal. Anytime that there it is. Credit card has been denied. It is not working. It's official. It's official. Credit cards are in the mix as well, too. All right. So now, Charlotte, you sure that credit card ain't maxed out? No, I'm kidding. I'm kidding, Charlotte. I don't want the smoke. I don't want it. But either way, she says credit cards have been denied, guys. So that's official. So it seems like all Chase products are most definitely having issues right now. But let me go back to the car loan. Anytime you guys pay off any kind of loan, anything that ends in the word loan, mortgage loan, student loan, auto loan, personal loan, anytime you pay off a loan early, okay, it will drop your score. It's unfortunate, but here's the thing. It's going to bounce back. It will bounce back, okay? Just give it some time. But anytime you pay off a loan early, it does that. Or unless, even if you do it like a month early. So that includes trade-ins. Anytime you trade in a car that has an open balance and they pay that off, that's what happens. The dealership, unless they're keeping the car, they pay off the car, right? But if you're going from car to car, then the new bank pays off the old bank. That still counts as paying it off early, so your scores will drop. So keep us posted on that. I thought that it was a great thing, but it took my score down. Can you explain why this happened? You know what's crazy is that the algorithm supports the banks. I'm gonna say that again. The algorithm supports the banks. So they want to. What's going on, Muriel? It's crazy, but even though it makes perfect financial sense to pay stuff off, to pay stuff down, to pay stuff off early. That's why they call it a prepayment penalty. Some places will charge you a prepayment penalty. They will penalize you for paying stuff off early if you're not careful. So make sure you guys are paying attention to that. I know it sucks. Don't here. Here. I'm not saying don't pay stuff off early. I'm just letting you know what happens when you pay stuff off early. If you can pay it off early, it's okay. You'll get those points back. They'll come back. Give it like less than 60 days. They'll come back. Probably 30 days. Just give it some time. But like I said, the algorithm supports the banks. What do I mean by that? If the bank says, "Hey, we got you on a 3-year agreement, 4-year agreement, 5-year agreement, whatever that is, whether it's a personal loan, whether it's an auto loan, usually it's anything that ends in the word loan. But whatever that term is, the algorithm is waiting for that account to end when it's supposed to end. It's stupid, I know. So if you pay it off early, you're being penalized for that. You're being penalized for that. All right. So, all right. So Cindy got a question. Is anyone having any issues with their Chase savings accounts? Are you guys having any issues with your Chase savings accounts? I'm refreshing this as well on my end. Let me see here. Anyone having any issues with Chase savings accounts? Keep us posted, guys. Keep us posted. Anything? I know you guys can't make withdrawals. You can't do the so far is all Zelle payments in and out. Is all account deposits in and out. It's wires for the past 24 hours. We know it's credit cards. Is it savings as well? Is it savings? Okay. What's going on, Crystal? Not for me, no issues. Muriel says she ain't got no issues. Muriel, where are you at? What state are you in, Muriel? Because it seems like everybody across the world. Muriel said, listen, she just had lunch. She said lunch was on me. I swiped my Chase debit card and I was just fine. What state you in, Muriel? So we can confirm this. Not confirm it, but just double check it, in that area. So she's in Florida. Oh, listen, we're not going to talk about Florida right now. Because I know, we're not going to get into politics on We ain't gonna get into politics on this channel. We can't. I'll lose some subscribers. We start talking about some politics up in here. So we're not gonna do it. We are not going to do it. Okay? Because y'all know these slaves learned a lot during that time. I'm done. I'm not saying nothing else. I'm not saying nothing else. Something like this was happening in Nigeria. Muriel said, I know, shaking my head. Listen, okay? But either way, Jennifer said something like this was happening in Nigeria months ago. Really? See, like, you know what? In different countries, and no shade to different countries, but I feel like I don't know what the security infrastructure is as far as like, like cyber security and stuff like that. And I know that it's tough because everything gets like hacked into, so I can only imagine what it's like in different countries, man. I can only imagine like really what's going on out there. So either way, Iris says my husband just received his direct deposit. She is all good. Okay, so in sunny San Diego, man, San Diego's it's always popping in San Diego. What's the weather right now in San Diego? Let me see that. Let me see real quick. Let me see where we at so I can just feel bad. Actually, it feels pretty good in Chicago right now. But let me see. Right now, what's the weather? Let me see. San Diego weather. It's always nice in San Diego. But either way, so San Diego so far is having not just good weather, but they're having good transactions with Chase too. 76 degrees out there in San Diego. All right. So thanks, Iris, for letting us know that he just got his direct deposit. So Iris, let us know. Was he supposed to get that direct deposit earlier today and it just came late? Is this the regular time? Sounds like he's supposed to get it like last night or this morning, but he just got it. So it sounds like they're playing catch up. Let us know, Iris, when you can. Let us know, Iris, when you can. Stephanie Johnson said, right? Listen, we was going to go in on Florida. But we all know that's politics, man. That's how politics go. It was on time. Okay, cool. All right. So Iris just said some direct deposits are going through. But again, she's in California. So anybody else in California watching this that's having any issues? I'm gonna wrap this up too, guys. We'll check back in a little bit later. Hopefully this don't last all day. I mean, it's already been They say it started this morning, so it's all people are already having issues, and it's been going on since this morning. Let me go ahead and refresh this and see what we got going on here. Let's see what we got. Let's see what we got. Okay, nothing else on that side. Let me go ahead and go over here and see if we got anything new. Chase Bake down. Okay, cool. Let's see here. And after that, I'm gonna leave y'all alone. I'm going to leave y'all alone, and then we'll go from there. So let's go ahead and see here. All right. So anyone else? California? Okay. I had issues with withdrawing cash from my Chase account using my debit card while in South Africa. Is that like today, or how long ago was that? GA, how long ago was that? Was that today? South Africa. Man, Johannesburg. I'm hoping, yeah, that's in South Africa. That's on the list. That's on my list of travel places. That's on my list of travel places. All right, let's see what we got. 7 minutes ago. Let's see here. Nope. Okay, nothing new. Okay. Nothing new. Okay, cool. All right, guys. I ain't gonna hold y'all up. But yeah, so either way, we know it's some deposits, it's withdrawals, it's debit cards, it's credit cards. We still didn't get confirmation, guys. Anyone got a savings account with Chase that's having any issues with savings accounts? Keep us posted on that. If not, then we'll go from there. I'll check back in with you guys a little bit later and let you guys know what's going on. But this is most definitely nationwide. I thought this was like an Illinois thing, and then I jumped on like, wait a minute, this is like nationwide. This is for real. But yeah, anyone got a Chase savings account having any issues? Any issues with that, guys? Any other type of accounts in general? Has anyone gotten their Zales back? Anyone that was waiting on a Zale, did anyone get their Zale back? Okay, Crystal says North Carolina. Just spoke with someone from our local branch. She says no issues. Okay, cool. So it seems like this is probably going to be good to go. Probably about 5 o'clock. I'm sure they don't want all this negative press because everybody gonna be lighting them up today. I'm sure. So, but either way, I just want to kind of see if you guys were dealing with it. It's most definitely not just an Illinois situation, all right? But keep us posted here. If you guys watch the replay or if you got a Chase savings account, let us know. But so far, North Carolina is Gucci. That's good, by the way. So North Carolina is good to go. California seems like they're good to go. And GA says, okay, about a week ago, she was having issues in South Africa. So, man, okay. So, it seems like it's always something for sure. All right, guys, that's my video. Hey, make sure you guys go ahead and check out the video that we just dropped today, okay? Find out what cards. Oh, wait, we got a new comment. Has anyone have any luck? Still down for me. Oh, that's it. Ain't nobody saying nothing. Okay, cool. But either way, yeah, we just dropped the video today, guys. And that video is doing crazy good. If you guys are interested in learning what credit cards allow you to buy a house using those credit cards, guys. So check out that video as well. What's going on, Huey? And make sure you guys go and check out that video as well, too, guys. I'll check back in if I see that this Chase thing is going on, throughout the entire day. But either way, guys, have a good